How to see Telegram downloaded videos. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Go ahead and open up your file manager, and once you do that, navigate to the Telegram folder. So it's this one right here, and once you are here you will see that there are sections, as you can see: documents, images, audios, videos, etc. So let's click on Telegram videos, and here you will be able to find all of your Telegram downloaded videos. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find your Telegram downloaded videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.